Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. I've got some stuff in front of me from AFE Power. I think it's a pretty cool kit. This is not a whole bunch of different parts. This is actually one part number. It is the Diesel Filter Master Pack to make your life much easier when it comes to the maintenance on your truck. You get everything you see here for your Ford, GM, or Dodge. It comes with a fuel additive, which is a pretty sweet bonus in my opinion. You've got your in-cabin air filter, you've got your oil filter, you've got your fuel filter and your fuel water separator filter, and you've got an air filter. So if you're looking to get something and knock out all that maintenance at once, AFE Power's got you covered with their Diesel Filter Master Pack. Comes with everything you see here, one part number, and you're good to go. You can click the link in the bio, check the description, or just come check us out at dieselpowerproducts.com.